Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you silence text notification on iPhone. Now, if you want to silence all of your message notifications, just go to your settings. Now scroll here and go to your messages. Now click on notifications and just toggle off allow notification, and by this all of your text notification messages will be turned off. Now if you want to just turn off a particular message notification, just go to your messages and press it on the notification that you want to turn off, and here you can see the third option, hide alerts. Click it to make it off. By doing this you can just turn off a particular message notification. So guys, that's how you can silence message notification on iPhone. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.